Hey there, Scott Wilkinson here, editor of AVSforum.com and host of the Home Theater Geeks podcast. I'm talking with Steve Panosian, director of marketing for the TV products division at Samsung, and I have to tell you that I'm very impressed with Samsung. You're the first out of the gate with a true high dynamic range capable display, which is making tons of waves. The problem, though, of course, is the lack of standards in HDR. I mean, we're entering a somewhat new area, aren't we?
Yeah, I agree, and I think this is something that Samsung has been working on with respect to what everybody's reading about the work of the Ultra High Definition Alliance. Samsung is a founding member. We're a proponent of the need for industries, plural, to work together to not only deliver the next step in picture experience and audio experience, but also all work together, help get the consumer and retailers as well to understand the benefit stories and make the messaging easier and get consumers to understand what they're buying into.
Well, there's certainly an awful lot of confusion around UHD. I mean, okay, the pixel resolution is well defined, but there are all these other elements, high dynamic range, high frame rate, wide color gamut, which leads to a lot of confusion. So I'm really impressed to hear that your efforts toward consumer education and demystification are so important.
Yep, I think early a year ago, as the industry saw more and more larger screen size TV sets hit price points that are much more affordable, and it was a very natural benefit to the consumer to understand the need for a higher definition television. So yes, that was the first step into it, to reduce the visible pixel structure, but on the other side of it, just a clearer, better picture. Most manufacturers, Samsung, really put a lot of innovation in our television displays to present the best picture. Our curved design and all of the innovations that we put into a TV set to present that 3D experience of what HD TV is supposed to present without the glasses. But and then if you want the imagery out of the screen, you put the glasses on. But the aim is a better not only video experience but an audio experience.
I'm also impressed by the fact that you not only make the TVs to display it, but you have worked in collaboration with Fox Studios to bring out actual movies graded in high dynamic range on MGO, this streaming, actually a download service. And this has always been, to me, the conundrum, where if you have a display that's capable of it, where's the content? You're addressing that concern as well.
Yes, I think one of the examples that we wanted to share is when the industries were moving together to meet the definition or the build to the standard of the digital TV broadcast back, whatever it was, 10, 12. Yeah, that was completed by '05 whenever most of the broadcasters were up transmitting signals. That's what we all had to wait for. Today, it's a little different. Actually, it's a whole lot different. We have satellite, we have cable delivery, we have broadband that can deliver many different streaming solutions and retransmitted solutions. And that's why when you look at our new smart TV platform, we're able to do real important things to take advantage of a national footprint that DirecTV 4K Ready makes available. So we're able to get content through their services. Through broadband, we're right there with everybody, offering from Netflix to Amazon to MGO, and then Ultraflix. We're partnered with Fox, as you mentioned, to deliver content streamed, and then a future download solution based on the SCSA standards, so that we have available to the consumer a very high quality digital version of new content ahead of and along with the introduction of ultra high definition Blu-ray, which is around the corner.
Which is just around the corner, and you guys are working on that as well, involved in that process as well.
Yeah, in fact, one of my cohorts in crime, Dan Schnazi, is on the other side of the world attending the BDA Association meetings as we speak, and he's going to stay there for next week's Ultra High Definition Alliance as well. So we're working hard along with other TV makers and studios, technology companies, and other electronic retail delivery for content that supports everything that we're working hard to bring more content and better experiences in audio video to the consumer.
Well, it's a brave new world, and you're right at the forefront. I thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Scott. And thank you, AVS Forum, for all the years of working with you guys.
Thank you.